Hello, I'm still in Costa Rica, day 2. Last night we did breath work, and our group leader, our organizer, Dr. Tim Weeks from Ohio, was telling us that when you breathe shallow and through the chest, not through the diaphragm, you actually are activating the fight or flight a pathway of the nervous system, which is called sympathetic nervous system. When you breathe deeply, then you activate the parasympathetic pathway, so the calming pathway. And he told us the proper way of breathing is you inhale for 6 seconds, hold your breath for a few seconds, and then exhale for 6 seconds. And you do this at least 3 times every morning, and right before, if you're doing meditation, right before meditation. So the way it goes is you go also he said through the nose it's difficult to reach to that 6 seconds, so it's better to do it through the mouth, because then you can hold it for 6 seconds and then let it go for 6 seconds. So let's try that one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.